Verse 13 brings us to a monumental milestone in Noah's journey. In the 601st year, in the first month, the first day of the month, the waters were dried from off the earth. And Noah removed the covering of the ark and looked, and behold, the face of the ground was dry. This marks a massive shift. In our last study, Noah was navigating the waiting room of faith, relying on birds to test the surroundings. Now, he physically removes the covering to look out at an altered world. Yet, notice the profound discipline in Noah's character. He waits through verse 14 until the 27th day of the second month, when the earth is completely dry. He refuses to rush ahead of God's perfect timing. In verses 15 to 16, the wait ends. God speaks directly to Noah, saying, "Go out from the ark, you and your wife, and your sons wives with you." Noah didn't move until he received the divine green light. In verse 17, God outlines the purpose of their release. "Bring out with you every living thing, that they may swarm on the earth, and be fruitful, and multiply on the earth." The season of hiding and survival is officially over. The season of legacy and fruitfulness has begun. Prompt obedience. Verse 18 shows immediate execution. So Noah went out, and his sons and his wife and his sons' wives with him. What is our modern take for today? Many of us know what it feels like to live inside a season of containment. You've survived the worst of the storm. You've seen a few olive leaf moments of hope, and you can see that the landscape of your life is starting to dry out. The temptation in this stage is to rip off the covering and run out prematurely on your own strength. It takes massive alignment to stay inside an uncovered ark when you can see the dry ground outside. When God finally says go, it's time to shift your mindset entirely from survival mode to revival mode. You aren't just stepping out to exist. You are stepping out to be fruitful, to occupy new territory, and to multiply the blessings God has given you. Let us close in prayer. Hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next verse. Lord, thank you for bringing us through the seasons of containment and survival. Give us the discipline of Noah to wait for your clear voice, even when our eyes tell us the ground is ready. When you say go, grant us the courage to step out of our comfort zones and into our true purpose. Help us to not just survive, but to be fruitful and multiply your grace in the world around us. Guide our steps today. Amen.